Thank you so much for joining me. And today we're going to be talking about a very important topic. It's on the 12 ways to make someone fall in love with you. 12 ways to make someone fall in love with you. And I'm going to discuss this topic in 2 parts. So I'll take the first 6 parts today and the second 6 part in the second video of this series. So thank you so much for joining me. And what are the 12 keys? Number 1, find his or her area of interest. This is very important. Find their area of interest. What are they interested in? And once you've done that, find information. Look for knowledge in the area of his or her own interest. And once you have at least basic knowledge, then engage them in an open-ended conversation. Now, this is a very important part of it. It's a very solid foundation in making someone to fall in love with you. Why? Conversation is the only windows to any person's heart. So when you find a way to always bring a conversation and communication, now you're going to know this person, and which is a very important part of making any person to fall in love with you. So it's very key that you find out what their interests are. Then that leads us to the number 2. Once you find out their interest and you're constantly engaging in conversation, now find out what their love language are. What is his love language or what is her love language? And this is very important, because if you don't know, you might just be behaving in an opposite way of what they like. I give an example. Years ago, I was planning to get married. I was planning to get a very good gift that my mother-in-law will appreciate. And now I didn't really know her that well. So I spoke to someone that I felt knows her and what she likes. And that person gave me an information on the kind of gift that she will appreciate. But unfortunately for me, the person didn't give me the right information. And so I went to the store and got her a gift. The color was very important. So I called this person and said, what color does she like? And the person told me a color that is opposite of what she likes for some reason. So I got that gift for her. She didn't appreciate the gift because I bought her something that she does not like. Now, years rolled by. I was now a daughter-in-law. I found out some conversation she loved to engage in. And so I will engage her whenever I have the opportunity in a conversation. It was one day we were having a conversation that I had access to what was in her heart. And she told me, you wanted to buy me a gift. You could not even ask me what was it that I like or what was my best color. So I apologized. I said I didn't think it was right to ask somebody, to let somebody know when you're about to give them a gift. And that's why I did that. So if you don't know somebody's love language, you may just be working against yourself because you don't know what they like and you do things that would turn them off rather than falling in love with you. So find out their love language. If they love to go out, offer them outing. Anything you know that makes their heart happy, then do it. And as you do that, you're getting closer to their heart because you understand their love language. Number 3, make sure you're yourself. When you're trying to make someone to notice you or to fall in love with you, don't become like someone else. It's very important that you are you. That your natural person might just be who they want. If you become someone else, you may lose them. So ensure that you're very natural, you're yourself. But be careful not to sell your weaknesses in a process. There is no manufacturer, there is no business that want to project the weakness of their product to any person. They project the strength so that you can buy it. And so also as a human being, you project your strengths. You project the best of you, not the worst of you. While you're trying to be natural and trying to be yourself, Ensure that you don't sell your weaknesses, but you present your strength at all times. Now, number 4, this is so important. Be kind. Learn kindness. It's one of the secrets that make hard to fall in love. Learn kindness. Be kind with your words. Be kind with your actions. Be considerate at all times. Learn kindness. No person can be kind and be rude at the same time. So learn to be kind with your words. Learn to be kind. Learn to offer help. Be kind. It will go a long way for you in trying to make whether your spouse or somebody that you feel that you have a path with fall in love with you. This is very important. Learn kindness. Be considerate. Number 5, honor them. Learn to honor them. Number 5, learn to honor them. It's very important. Learn to honor them. Now, when we talk about honor, you cannot honor somebody with your mouth without your heart. So you learn honor from your heart. Any person you don't honor within, it's only a matter of time you will dishonor them with your words, you will dishonor them with actions. So learn to honor this person from your heart. What is honor? Have a high regard for them. That's honor. And never forget, God is the source of every person. And so we have the DNA of God in us. Every one of us, whether male or female. So honor does not have gender. Because a lot of people believe that, honor is only good from a woman to a man. That's a lie. Honor does not have gender. So honor them because we have God's DNA and God loves honor. So is every human, whether they are male or female. Honor them. Have high regard, high respect for them. And this will draw you closer to his heart or her heart. And it's very important. Honor is always expressed through your words and through your actions. And also the way you talk about them in their absence. So you can't pretend to honor someone and when they are not there, you say something nasty about them. So it's very important. Then number 6, which is where we are stopping today. Number 6, don't make it obvious that you're trying to make them fall in love with you. This is very key. If this is obvious, you just ruin your chances. So ensure that it's not obvious you're trying hard for them to fall in love with you. Let it be as natural as possible. Let this attribute or this secret, let them be natural with you. Let it be you rather than it's something you put on just for them to notice you or just for them to fall in love. So if you make this secret part of you, it comes out naturally and you're able to win this person's heart because it comes from you. It's just you. And as you do that, you see that this person begin to also pay attention to details about you. This person also begin to do the same back to you. That's how life is, and that's how every relationship is. I always tell people, be the person that you want your spouse to be to you. It's the easiest way to make someone love you. Just do these things to them, and in no time, they will do it back to you because it's natural. They repay you based on what you do to them every day. And thank you so much for watching this broadcast. I want to encourage you, if you love this broadcast, please don't forget to leave a comment, like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and above all, please help me share it with your friends and your family. And next week, we're going to be dropping the part 2 of the 12 ways on how to make someone fall in love with you. Check back on this channel, and every week, 3 times in a week, we're dropping a new video. It could be a video of another topic or the same topic the same week. So God bless you, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.